Inspire Awards 2021.
Author Sherry in the house!
See just where I stand, you know exactly who I am. Taking everything I want.
Guys, a better round of applause, please. Author Sherry! Woo!
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to receive all of you today. I'm in deep gratitude, and I heartily welcome all of you on this auspicious day today at MS Talks Annual Conference and Awards. दुनिया की भीड़ से कुछ चुनिंदा लोगों में आ गया हूँ. दुनिया की भीड़ से कुछ चुनिंदा लोगों में आ गया हूँ. आज आप सबको देख के लगा कि मैं कुछ जिंदा लोगों में आ गया हूँ. Thank you each one of you for making this day very special. Inspire Award is very close to me.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Not trying to be your hero. It's the only
एक जुनू के संग चाहतों के दिए कुछ इस कदर जला लिए कि फिर ऊपर बैठे उसने भी आंधियों का कारवां उधर से गुजरने ना दिया.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do.
Sai. Sherry, you're doing a tremendous job. Because here in this platform, when we talk about, we are not just creating the public speakers, we are talking about the communities. Where on such platform you have seen that you have 50,000 plus community of speakers connected, inspiring and collaborating together. And all of us will be witnessing the success story. And that's the future. Thank you.
So immense is this platform. I would rather like to congratulate once again author Sherry and bring out the best in the world. Here is the role of a speaker.
एक दिन खुद ब खुद मंजिल आएगी तेरे पास, तेरा हौसला देखकर, तेरा हौसला देखकर.
The divine power in me salutes the divine power in you, and the unlimited potential in me recognizes the unlimited potential in you.
हम तोड़ गए जब तुम झुकी, तब से तुम नजर में आ रुकी. हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे था लम्हा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाने
I see a huge future for public speaking. Each one of us, everyone in the population, wherever in the world or any other planet for that matter, will have to learn public speaking. So future is bright. Keep speaking, keep enjoying. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you very much, sir, and ma'am, for NMS Talks and everybody associated to have given me the opportunity and the stage. क्योंकि वक्त की बात है कि शब्द नहीं बदलते, वक्त की बात है कि शब्द नहीं बदलते, वरना शब्दों के बदलने में वक्त ही कितना लगता है, right? So thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.
Nor do I have that oratory skills to enthrall you with the jugglery of words like Mr. Sherry can. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं, but otherwise too it is said that if speaking is an art, listening is a finer art. So I would rather sit there and listen to the distinguished speakers and their words of wisdom. Thank you, Shetty Sahab, for inviting me. Thanks a lot.
दुनिया की भीड़ से कुछ चुनिंदा लोगों में आ गया हूँ और यहाँ आके लगा कुछ जिंदा लोगों में आ गया हूँ. MS Talks का अवार्ड लेके लगता है सचमुच कुछ पा गया.
Thank you so very much. My heartiest congratulations to all the winners, all the awardees today. आप लोगों ने आके दिल जीत लिया और आपने आज का दिन मेमोरेबल बना दिया. आप लोगों के लिए राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज सबसे पहले. Thank you so very much for coming, and we truly had a memorable day. Some hiccups were there. We tried our best, and I'm sure you all have enjoyed. बाकी लेकिन हम हमेशा ये कोशिश करते हैं कि we provide best of the best atmosphere and the experiences to all of you who are coming to attend MS Talks events. And my heartiest congratulations once again to all the guest of honors, our honorable esteemed guests. And we are thankful to our associate sponsors for your outstanding support. Neil David Saloon, Neil David brother, great support. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
MS Talks, I Inspire Awards 2021.